Hello, hello. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm getting ready for work. If you've been here before, you know what this entails. If you haven't been here before, hello. My name is Kristen. So when I get ready for work, I am only doing my eye makeup because I work for a federal thing and we still have to wear masks. So, but a little different here. I am going to do my skincare. And I know this isn't supposed to touch my skin, but I don't care. So this is using my Potion Project Pana items as well. So this is that Earth Harbor. Now I'm not putting any facial makeup on, so I don't mind that this probably won't dry. I don't know what is up with this Earth Harbor, right? That's what it's called. Yeah, Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution UV Ampule red algae plus plant stem cells. Ooh. Anyways, looks like my hair. Anyways, so if you remember my project pan, you will remember that I marked my items where they are. Now, if you've never seen that, I'm doing a Potion Project pan. It's to see how much of this other stuff I can use by Halloween. I'm gonna link it there. But so I did make this little gold. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So I haven't used much, but definitely there's use. So we got that, so that's fantastic, and I'm going to wait for this to dry or do whatever it does, and then I'm going to do my eye makeup. Now I did do an official Project 10 pan for eyeshadow palettes. I will also link that in the little upper bar there. I did choose the Makeup Revolution Makeup, I don't know, Makeup Revolution London, whatever the fuck it's called. Forever Flawless Utopia palette. And this is what it looks like. I'm doing this because I want to use up the makeup I have versus buying all new makeup. I want to show love to the stuff I already have. But yes, so this is the color story. Again, I'm going to work, so I am not going to go a little crazy here or anything like I did in my last work makeup video. But we're going to do something at least. So I have something on my eyes. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do for my eyebrows. I might just stick with the stuff I got going. What do we think of my hair, by the way? I like it. I don't know. I just need to do something different. My hair was looking so like dull looking. I needed something else to do. I needed to look different. Yeah, so should I do like red eyebrows or should I just stick to like darker brown? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the color versus my skin tone or my skin color? I did this in my video that was up yesterday, but I went to Sally Beauty Supply and I purchased, it was a dark red blonde is what it was called. My eyelid, my super hooded eye, my worst hooded eye keeps reverting back, but then I keep doing this and it'll at least get a little bit bigger, which is hilarious. I was thinking about using this pink and then putting this shimmer on top of it. But while I am making sure the blue is off of this, my backdrop is holding up. That Gorilla Glue tape that says it is used for bricks, that is holding. And I hope it stays. I hope it stays up. So this will be the test because I'll be gone until, what's today? Thursday? Yes, Thursday. Today's Thursday, so I'll be gone until Saturday. So we'll see what it looks like on Saturday, I guess. Alright, I got my cute little Beetlejuice melt hand mirror here. I'm using an LA Colors brush. Why did I tell you? I don't know. Do people really want to hear about brushes? I know I asked about that before, but... Anyways, super duper hooded eyes. Look number, this will be number 3 using this palette. So this is the third look with my Project 10 pan Makeup Revolution palette. Ooh. Again, not going to go too ham with this. I'm going to work. Although, yeah, in my last Get Ready With Me, my work look, no one said jack shit to me. And I just think that's so hilarious. I don't know why. They'll give me shit over my shoes. But not like a hot ass makeup look that I did. tell me. I don't know. I don't understand it. Anyways, yep. This is going to be a really simple look, but again, it will count as a look. Did I use this color before? I don't even remember. But I think tomorrow and the next day I will truly do a neutral look, because this does have neutral colors in it. It's got 1, 2, 3. It's got like four neutral mattes, and definitely like neutrally shimmers, you know. So that will be fun. We'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna wing this out. I'm not going to use any other matte colors, I'm just going to use this pink. So it's nice and sunny today, which is great. It rained a lot yesterday and my dogs were actually scared. Normally they haven't been getting scared with it in the last few years. They used to be, especially Trixie. She would like basically need a calm down pill, which is, I think, essentially doggy Xanax. But yesterday, I think, yeah, I think she was having some issues. It thundered a lot. We didn't see any lightning, but it was in can't speak. It was in the afternoon part of the day, so that's probably why. No, I'm just gonna do pink. I was gonna use a different color underneath my eyes. No, I'm just gonna go with pink. I got this pinched sort of blending brush from Moda, small shader, I think is what it's called. Yeah, I'm just going to continue. We're just going to stick with the one color. See how this looks. I can't wait until I can wear a full face of makeup though at work, like for real. Wonder if this will make me look sickly. Oh man. I was a little shocked still to see my hair this morning. It was kind of funny. I was like, oh yeah, I did that yesterday. Oh, and there's a fly in here. Jesus Christ. Forgot about that guy. Little shit. Okay, there we go. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to wipe the same brush off, and then I'm going to use this to pick up the shimmer that I'm going to use, but I'm going to spray it. Just like before, with my CHATTY Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Keep looking at my skin versus the hair. I think it looks good. I don't know. I mean, that's the sort of complexion I got anyways. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Yes. That color. What is that? The pink I used was Promise, and this one is Enchanted. Alright. So I picked that up on the brush. Now we're going to spray. I don't know. I think just one time. So I don't know if you noticed either, but I changed my banner. I changed my banner and my profile. I don't know. Is that what you call it? YouTube profile photo? I'm not getting rid of wrestling content. I just figured since my channel is mostly about makeup, because that is what I mostly post about, I figured that I would just change my profile photo to reflect me in makeup. It needed an update anyways, because I have more than the WWE belts, the women's belts, but also I changed my channel banner to say that I upload every single day, because I do, and we are getting close to the 5-month mark, so on July 6th it will technically be 5 months of uploads. So I'm pretty proud of myself. We are almost at half a year, and if you've been on this journey with me, hey, I'm glad you're here, because the whole point of me uploading every single day was to just, one, see if I could do it, but also kind of just document my road to 40 years old. You only turn 40 once. 40 is like a very big milestone year. Like 30 is, yeah, you know, and 20 is, of course, well, you're almost an adult. Sort of. But 40 is it, man, and I don't feel like I'm turning 40. My husband just turned 40. Mentally, don't feel 40. Physically, maybe. Not so much me, but my husband, he is feeling it. But on my next days off, we are hoping to get the functional trainer that we purchased set up. We have the floor mats. We just need to get rid of the couch. That's the biggest thing. We need to get rid of the couch. We need to get rid of the table that we have in here. So, yes. Okay, so that is it for my eye makeup. Just the pink. We got that sparkly topper on. That is it. Oh, I found my eyeliner, by the way. It was hidden amongst my... It was hidden amongst my what? My brushes, I think. I think I took it out, though. Yes. Yes, I found it. So, that's good. I like just pushing it up. I don't actually, like, line above. I just kind of push it into my lashes just to make them look more full. I have super hooded eyes, so I don't like to actually really go above it unless like I'm doing a super dramatic, like, you know, my Frankenfurter makeup or whatever. Because like you can't even see the shit anyways when I'm got my eyes open. Cool. Okay, so got that. Awesome. And I do have my eyebrow pencil, but oh man, every time I open it, I mess it up. I keep like hitting the top of the little thing. I don't know. So my skin was dyed a little bit from the dye. It's okay. I'm not gonna actually wash my hair though for a few days. That way the stuff definitely stays put. I realized that I shouldn't be using the equivalent of like Selsun Blue type of shampoo with colored hair, because that's why my black hair I think was fading so fast every time I dyed it, because I was using like a scalp care type shampoo. I just didn't think about that plus colored hair, so that's okay. I need better brow well, I need to use better brow products. I have better brow products. I just need to get them. This one just is not working for me anymore. It was good, and I'm not talking about like only just right now, like I've been having issues with this for a while now. I liked it at first. It was great at first. It was a nice little brow pencil, but now I don't think I like it. It's almost like the quality changed as I've gone down using it. So I will say though too, I do have a red eyebrow pen from NYX, the Lift and Snatch is what it's called, which is apparently a bad word for YouTube. So maybe there won't be any ads on this video. Yeah, I should find that and use it next time, but not now, because I'm getting ready for work, and it's definitely after 1 o'clock, I think. I have to leave at 2:45. So, I got the eyebrows on, I got eyeshadow on, I got, yeah, good stuff, I guess. I'm just going to blend out that little bit of eyeshadow I did right here. Not eyeshadow, the eyeliner. There we go. Cool. Tried to wipe off my mirror. There's like smudges on my mirror, and it's like it doesn't want to wipe off. So yes, this by the way, so I put this e.l.f. mascara. This is e.l.f. waterproof length and volume mascara in black waterproof, whatever, that's all it says. There's numbers, who cares. It's not very waterproof. It still flakes. I don't think this is waterproof, which is a shame. I do like the little tiny wand thing we got going on. It makes it easier to get all up in my eyes. I did order gotta stop saying I did order 200, you know, those little disposable wands from Amazon to help me. I have finally run out. I think I don't have any more of the ones I originally bought from the dollar store. There was just like 10 in a pack. I think the mail just came. That was creepy. Okay, cute. I look cute. I actually had a little bit of concern when I said, oh shit, I'm putting pink on my eyelids. But you know what? I don't care. I don't care if it clashes with the hair, because I don't care. Speaking of the hair though, I'm going to grab my little bit of hairspray. I get these little annoying little hairs all coming out. This way they won't annoy me so much. Okay, cool. Well, that's a completed look. Look number 3 with the Makeup Revolution Utopia palette. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, I upload every single day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.